Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Google form questionnaire. So we're going to be using a blank form. I'm going to name this form and then I'm going to add some questions. In order to name the form, all we need to do is just simply double click on it and it brings out these options here. So we're just going to highlight it and change the name. As you can see, we have the health questionnaire. We could highlight it and make it bolder. We could italicize it, but we're just going to leave it in bold. Then we're going to put a form description. We're going to put the form description by clicking on it and then typing the description. As you can see, this is just a sample description. You have this is a yearly questionnaire on health matters. So we could highlight it and make it italicized. And there you have it. So here we have this first one here. We could simply double tap on it to make our first question. And so in the first tile, we're going to put a question. Now this automatically changed with Google Forms because it detected I asked a question about rating. If it doesn't work for you, you could simply go over here where you have a linear scale and you could come to change it to multi-choice grid like this, or you could go to checkbox grid, or you could take it back to linear scale. We could make this question required and then we could decide to leave this because it's optional if you want to put more details. So you can leave it at that, 1 being very bad and 5 being excellent. We're going to go ahead and add another question. And here we have another question and it says, do you have any chronic medical conditions? And then you can add an option. Of course, because we cannot list all the medical conditions, if you're in this scenario, you can come over to add other. So if you have add other, the person filling this could simply come over to other and write the information about their chronic medical condition. As you can see from the first question, it was a linear style. This one is a multiple choice, and we can leave it that way. You could go ahead to ask more questions and more options for your questionnaire. And then when you're done with everything, you could go to the top corner here and click on preview. And here you can see the preview of the questions we've asked, just as the questionnaire would be showing to anyone who is filling it. And of course, we could go to the palette and change the color. We change it to this, or to blue, or to green. The choice is yours. So this is how to make a Google Form questionnaire. If you found this useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.